Hey guys, what's up? So I'm here to show you the new FUTMillionaire Trading Center app. Now, this app is by far the most powerful trading program ever released for FIFA. It's so powerful that once you know how to use it, the FUTMillionaire app will allow you to make the millions of coins needed to buy a full informed team and crush the FUT Weekend League with the best players in FIFA, like Inform Ronaldo or Messi, literally in just a couple of weeks of trading. Or, if you want to make real money, you can choose to sell the coins you make to other players on FUTExchange.com, the new site that's like an eBay for FIFA coins, where you get paid much more for your coins. There are now FUTMillionaire members selling their coins on FUTExchange.com and making over $1,000 per week real money. And check this out. The best thing is that all these millions of coins will be made by the FUTMillionaire app completely on autopilot. This new version of FUTMillionaire that you'll get when you join us today is by far the most powerful we've ever released. And it's making some of our members over 300,000 FIFA coins per day trading in the FIFA Ultimate Team market. Even better, the program is so easy and quick to set up that literally anyone can do it. As long as you have a FIFA account, a Windows or a Mac computer, and an internet connection, you're ready to go. Now, you probably want to know how the program works, and you want to see the app in action. So I'll just say the FUTMillionaire Trading Center app currently is the only bot in the market that combines both an auto buyer and an auto bidder. The FUTMillionaire auto buyer picks up cards with buy now and is good for sniping players as they're placed in the market in the 59th minute. While auto buyer is really good, it's the FUTMillionaire auto bidder that I consider to be the best trading tool ever for FIFA. This auto bidder is so incredibly powerful that it has allowed me to get insane deals like players worth 50,000 coins for under 15,000 coins. So the auto bidder module works by bidding for items and praying at the end of each auction, gradually incrementing bids when you get outbid and winning bidding wars like if it were a real player. But let me actually show you how this thing works. So the program does pretty much everything for you. The only thing you have to do is insert the players or consumables you want to trade, choose the profit percentage that you wish to get, and the hard part is done. Now, just click the Update Price button to bring prices up to date, and then click Start. That's it. The program will now trade on your behalf 24 hours per day, adjusting itself automatically to market prices. Yes, this means that while you're at work, school, or even sleeping, the program will still be trading and making coins for you. It mimics the actions of a real player, so your account is always almost 100% safe. Let me go back for a second. Yeah, I forgot to tell you the Price Auto Updater even updates prices live on the market automatically every few minutes for you to make sure your buying and selling prices are always in line with real market prices. But that's not all. When you join the FUTMillionaire Trading Center, you also get exclusive access to the private traders area, where you can find a list of recommended players and consumables to trade, already picked by our team, and that will probably make you coins, so you always know which players to buy. You'll also find trading tutorial videos and step-by-step guides, and the best coin-making methods in the market right now. Basically, everything you need to become a pro trader and start making millions of coins in the FIFA market starting today. Now, I guess someone may be thinking, yeah, this is all good, but if everyone's using this, how would anyone make money? Look, there are hundreds of thousands of players in different chemistry styles and positions, not to mention consumables in the FIFA market. It's nearly impossible that auto buyers and auto bidders will ever have the entire market covered. You will never, ever go out of items to trade. I also got a message the other day saying, but isn't this like cheating? And my answer to that is simple. Not everyone has rich parents that can afford to buy packs every day until they have a kick-ass team. And most of us don't have the 3 or 4 hours a day to trade manually. So what we do is we give FIFA players the chance to sit back and relax while their program makes coins for them to build their dream team to actually enjoy FIFA to the maximum. We think you shouldn't have to waste 3 or 4 hours per day trading manually on the FIFA market or spend thousands of dollars on packs to actually have a good FIFA team. This is why we started FUTMillionaire. I think everyone deserves a fair chance to get a great team in FIFA, regardless of how poor they may be and how little free time they have. And we're proud. We actually help some people, making an extra income by selling coins. Now, to get the FUTMillionaire Trading Center application to where it is now wasn't cheap. And we improved the program and released new versions, sometimes several times each month, to keep making the program better and even more profitable. And that's why we ask for a very small fee when you join, so we can keep improving the program for every one of our users. So to recap, when you join our secret community of pro traders right now, you get access to the FUTMillionaire AutoBuyer, the FUTMillionaire AutoBidder, all the modules it comes with, like the price AutoUpdater module, and you also get access to our private traders area featuring video tutorials and trading lists to help you with your trading. Now, if you want more details, please check the demo videos below to see the FUTMillionaire AutoBuyer and FUTMillionaire AutoBidder in action. Now listen, if you want to become a pro trader yourself, maybe make millions of coins per week so you can sell coins and get paid to play FIFA, click the Sign Up Now button below and you'll get access to the FUTMillionaire Trading Center app and the private traders area, literally in seconds. In case you're on the fence about joining, I'm going to make this decision easy for you by taking away all the risk. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to give you 60 days to test drive the FUTMillionaire app. And if you do not make any coins with it, just get in touch with our support team and I'll get you your money back. So click the Sign Up Now button and I'll see you inside in less than 2